boy wa knock me down when me drive a black car. When you see me walk outside on the sidewalk, the boy find out me the funky lady, so that anywhere he see me him tantalize me. Knock me down when he drive.
Reaction.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's about TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss, and we are back in effect with another video. Comment on this video to see your comment right over there in the next video that I post. You know, posting every single day. My ear grow, don't it? Yeah, man, my ear grow. People thought you're fat. You are probably hearing a fan in the background because the AC not do the right thing. It's not doing the job. Anyways, I have a song called Knock Me Down. Official video by Knack. This is my first animation reaction, I think. No, it's not. But Knack from Belize. I saw you run out on the last video. What the hell is going on with my eye? Oh my gosh. Baby girl, blow on me eye for me real quick. Come on, man. You don't like me no more. Blowing on me eye, ball. Anyways, Knack's up. Maybe Swagwan is a new upcoming Belize artist, people. You see me, I say expect a lot from me. Link to the original video down below in the comment section and in the description. Pin. You don't know a chat. Maybe Swagwan right now. First time I watch a video, you know. Maybe Swagwan. Run it.
Yeah, this the big people thing.
Man.
This is enough for me to pick me here.
Yeah.
This the big people thing. So we don't play this round to pick me there.
Well on, this get serious. Me couldn't out of fun because the fun make too much noise on my ears right now. Talk to it.
This is enough for me to pick me here. This the big people thing. So we don't play this round to pick me there.
Yeah.
It's the big people talking.
Yeah, birds.
Well on, pause. You hear what officer say, you know? Don't play so you don't pick them at all, you know? This is a big people thing, you know. Big people talking right now, you know. Make where I go on.
You look so frightened, dog. My boy, I can't believe what happened to me just now, dog. Sure. They say the boy with the gal drive so fast. Boy, you see me hands and trying to play last.
Yeah.
Me have to stay up on the car for see who they drive. Me ex and the full man, they drive the boy wa. Knock me down when me drive a black car. When they see me walk outside on the sidewalk, the boy find out.
Clark. What on there? Where that car that look like my one, so? Go on.
To me just know, dog. Sure. They say the boy with the gal drive so fast.
Yeah.
Boy, you see me hands and trying to play last.
Yeah.
Me have to stay up on the car for see who they drive. Me ex and the full man, they drive the boy wa. Knock me down when me drive a black car. When you see me walk outside on the sidewalk, the boy find out me the funky lady, so that anywhere he see me him tantalize me. Knock me down when he drive.
So, people, the man deep in cheeks and bigs running. So, go on.
Anywhere he see me him tantalize me.
Yeah.
Knock me down when he drive a black car. When he see me walk outside on the sidewalk, the boy find out me the touchy lady, so that anywhere he see me him tantalize me.
Okay.
Thank you God don't make me swing around fast. Me woulda be a dead man lifeless on the tar.
Yeah.
The fool spot me and remember me.
Yeah.
When me text the lady fi come get stiff cocky. Me see
Let's see what go on now. Look skinny maga man them. A maga man the girl them want, you know. That a cause problem in the world right now, you know. That a cause problem in the world right now, you know. Imagine the woman have bigs having nice go Ford Fusion and drive up and down. You see me I say, right? And you want to go sort out bigs woman. And bigs come in and catch her. He no must not kill on him, see her word. He must not kill on, you know. Go on.
last breaks and nearly knock down the man. You see box up and start cuss up the gal. While ladies shout out, try run young man, cause a man sure look like he have a weapon. Knock me down when he drive a black car. When he see me walk outside on the sidewalk, the boy find out me the touchy lady, so that anywhere he see me him tantalize me. Knock me down when he drive a black car. When he see me walk outside on the sidewalk, the boy find out me the touchy lady, so that anywhere he see me him tantalize me. Me flag down a taxi quick and jump in. Me see the fool swing round quick and follow we. He fling the gal out of the.
When the man tap taxi and a taxi bigs a follow. I drop shit out of the car. If I didn't pause it right there, I would never seen that she's dropping out of the car. Hold on, let me go back on here.
Car middle street, latter see me like a that anywhere you see me, him tantalize me. Me flag down a taxi quick and jump in.
Yeah.
Me see the fool swing round quick and follow we.
Yeah.
You fling the gal out of the car middle street, latter see me like a real movie scene. Taxi man try hurry up fast, the man soon catch me drive up fast.
Sure.
Me heart the beat fast, me two hand cross.
Sure.
Me hear pop pop, it shut out the car glass. Nah.
Me like the storytelling though, me not lying. T unknown. Me love that storytelling now. You see me, I see people expect a lot more coming from him, but me love what I go on. So you see me, I say, you have a story, you watch and you feel the best. If you want to go check out the video for yourself right now, click the link down below in the description and also pin it in the comment section. And I'll comment some fire emoji over there, make him know say the reaction bar sending no over this. So right now, go on, right now, go on, click the link. Go on.
Me down when he drive the black car. When he see me walk outside on the sidewalk, the boy find out
Say
me
me
the
touchy
fucking
lady.
lady. So that anywhere he see me, him tantalize me.
Hey.
Knock me down when he drive the black car. When he see me walk outside on the
Sidewalk.
sidewalk, the boy find out
Say
me
me
the fucking
touchy
lady.
lady.
So that anywhere he see me, him tantalize me. Taxi man get spook and coward. Taxi man want dash me out right the boulevard.
Yeah.
Me when a free tongue, Mr. Taxi man. You
Hold
got
on,
the
wait. A taxi man you have power for. A taxi man you have strength for. Little Marga taxi man. Try.
free tongue, Mr. Man. Wah, 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 next thing a siren. 1,000 police, the drive back a weed. Please jump the bump before the bus we. Her best thing, you drop me off right the lychee. Knock me down when he drive a black car. When he see me walk
Story
outside
nice.
on the sidewalk, the boy find out me the fucking lady. So that anywhere he see me, him tantalize me. Knock me down when he drive the black car. When he see me walk outside on the sidewalk, the boy find out me the touchy lady. So that anywhere he see me, him tantalize me. They take the two away down a station. Next police shout up, what for two of them man. The man in me reach court sharp 9 o'clock. The judge read the statement and laugh after that. The judge tell the fool, make me hear for yourself, cause you nearly do passion a crime. Me I give you big jail time, in a love you blind. This man innocent, now your gully act wild. Knock me down when he drive the black car. When he see me walk outside on the sidewalk, the boy find out me the fucking lady. So that anywhere he see me, him tantalize me. Knock me down.
Black car.
That's what I tell about that girl
On
out
the
of Brits.
sidewalk.
But I had this energy. Watch out.
So that
You nah
anywhere he
listen,
see me,
boy.
him
A real
tantalize me.
pussy whip, brother. Real pussy whip.
Yet not listening.
When the kids see the video, I don't want to get vexed by it because we don't make you know already that you know that for the adults name. So when we catch you picnic, the watch there, I don't want to get vexed because we did tell you know that for the adults. So everything just have a thing up. There again, big up to your unknown. Cut.
I love that. I like that. But brother, really and truly, you're not even free to do that because them are going to watch regardless and parents will get mad regardless. But I understand that, but you're from Belize and Belize is small and everything. But guess what? You're not just making music just for Belize people. You understand me? And people like me react to it now. We're going to put it out there to the entire Caribbean. You understand me? And it's like you can't control who watch it. You can never do it. No matter if you put it in there and want them and whatever, they're gonna laugh and everything will care about that. You understand me? But we like that. We love the video. The storytelling bad, everything bad. And brother, knock me down one in the black car. What I know say we touchy lady. Oh God, yo, reaction boss sign up. You go check out T Unknown. Subscribe to him YouTube channel. Go follow him on Instagram. Everything down below in the description of this video and also pinned in the comment section. Reaction boss signing out. I'll go on, babes.